Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Solar Pool Ionizer by Discover My Store. The solar water purifier is a small, portable, weatherproof, long-lasting polymer disc with a replaceable, specially alloyed mineral anode on the bottom and an inbuilt advanced technology solar panel on the top. The energy from the sun activates the ionization of the anode. The ionization process limits the growth of microorganisms and removes unwanted minerals such as calcium in the pool water. The solar water purifier simply floats in the pool. The solar panel converts sunlight into low-voltage electricity, which is completely harmless. The electrical current energizes the anode below the waterline. The energized anode releases mineral ions into the water. The ions pierce the protective outer membrane of algae and bacteria cells, disrupting the enzyme balance, inhibiting growth, and disinfecting the water. One ionizer can fit in 45,000 gallons of the swimming pool. One complete unit of our Solar Pool Ionizer, including the solar panel top, copper anode, basket test strip, brush, and manual. To buy a Solar Pool Ionizer, click on the link below. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.